I don't know how to start. I'm far behind my peers. Oh, I've suffered too much. I am stuck. I don't even know where to start from. My dear, you can start from scratch. Start from wherever you are. I want to tell you that life begins at any age. Whether you have to start afresh when you are in your 30s, in your 40s, in your 50s, in your 60s, anything is possible. If I can start my life afresh, not once, but 2 times, you can do it. The first time I have to restart my life was when I was in my 30s, when I lost my lovely husband. My first husband. He suddenly died at the age of 39 going to 40, and I was 30. That was November 2008. Just when I thought that everything was going well for me. I had my 3 lovely children already. I had a very loving and caring husband who catered for me. He asked me not to work. I was a stay-at-home mom, and was all good. I had no issues till he suddenly died of a ghastly auto accident. Everything turned around. The whole world stopped. My life stopped momentarily. But I thank God for today that I finally picked my pieces and started afresh, one step at a time. It was tough, but with God, I made it through. Fast forward today, my kids are now young adults, and their father died. My first child was just 6 years old. My second son was 4 years old, and my daughter was just 3 years old. And my daughter was just 3 years old. It was tough, but like I said, I started from scratch. No bank accounts, no job, no health insurance, no life insurance, no bank accounts, no job for me, no health insurance, life insurance. I had nothing when he died. Just his mini grocery store that was almost empty. There are bills to pay, the kids need to go to school, the kids need to feed, they need to change their clothes. Yes, it was tough. But here I am today telling you that I made it. If I can do it, so can you. So learn from my story. How did I make it? What helped me? How was I able to pick up my pieces? One of the things that made me pull through is because I felt responsible for my kids. I felt very responsible for these innocent children that didn't ask to be born. I felt that I owe them everything because they didn't ask to be born. They didn't know that father was going to die, and they were my own. That is one responsibility. Even if I'm not living for any reason, I will live for these kids. After I lost my husband, I usually ask myself, Georgette, are you going to smile again? Are you sure you can be able to laugh again? Is there anything in this world that can make you smile or make you happy? I ask a lot of questions. I ask God questions. I say, God, why do you allow this to happen to me? What have I done? Am I such a bad person? Why does this have to happen to me? I've always been a very devoted wife, a devoted Christian, a devoted mother to my children. I didn't deserve this. Anytime I cry, I tell God, I don't know what to do. I don't even know if I can do this. I don't even know if I can move ahead. But deep down in me, I know I have a responsibility, which is my kids, my 3 innocent children. So I kept moving. I kept moving through the thick, through the thin. Because I had no job, I started trying other businesses. I ventured into marketing, which was the business that made me a lot of money. I was an introvert. I don't know how to make friends. Every time I wake up in the morning, I feel this responsibility of, where am I going to get the money to buy the next bread for my kids? How am I going to pay my children's school fees? All these thoughts pushing me to do more, to try things I don't even know I can do. Another big reason why I was able to pull through was because I believed in God. I still believe that God can do wonders through me to be able to save these children because they are innocent of what is happening to them. So with prayers and motivation, which I gave to myself, I keep motivating myself. I lived like a robot. I was never a widow before then. I just listened and listened patiently to anybody that said anything regarding how to cope as a widow. All this helped me. I tried to read my Bible. I tried to talk to my mom. My mother wasn't a widow, so she too wasn't at the right position, in the right position to advise me. But of course, she asked from her friends that we are widows, and she called me once in a while to advise me. What I want to tell you today is you can start from scratch at any age, no matter your situation. No matter the level you are right now, you can start from scratch. No matter what brought you down, you can rise again. I did rise again, and so you can. I started learning how to give myself what they call self-affirmation. Let me read just two for you. The first one says, I have the power to choose well. During the time you are encountering all these things, sometimes you don't remember anything. You don't even remember that you can choose to be happy. You won't even remember that you can choose to live a privileged life. Like in my case, I forgot so many things. I forgot how to take care of myself. I forgot that I have the right to look after myself. The second affirmation I learned to tell myself every morning is, I am deserving and worthy for the very best and highest. You deserve the highest. You deserve the very best. And you can do this. You don't need anybody to make choices for you. So what I want to tell you today is, you deserve the best. You can choose the best for yourself. You have the right to do so. You can start today. You can start afresh from anywhere. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the easiest business you can do when you don't have no money. Thank you for watching my video. Do not fail to subscribe if you're watching me for the first time, and if you have not subscribed, hit that like button if you like my video anyway, and hit the notification button too, so YouTube will be able to tell you when I post my next video. Thank you so much.